I'm Treichler. I'm the Communication Manager for the Anglican Relief and Development Fund, and I'm here in Gambella, Ethiopia, which is one of the poorest regions in one of the poorest countries in the world. Few places suffer from such extreme underdevelopment. Limited access to healthcare and education, along with critical levels of infant mortality, have left many people desperate, with few options for escaping poverty. And that's why ARDF decided to partner with the Anglican Church here in Gambella. With the support of Anglican donors from around the world, the church here is demonstrating the power of the gospel to transform lives holistically for the sake of Christ. I'm here to see firsthand the impact in this community. I'm visiting the Gambella Anglican Center, which is a project that ARDF has recently funded that does some incredible ministry to the local community. One of the most important ministries of the Gambella Anglican Center is providing theological education for local pastors. This is a huge need because most pastors have never been to seminary and really receive very little education at all.
Gala Pied and Quacker, Ron and Wallum Carona Thara, Chicala Per, La one in did. Again, but Ta, Christian again. Work me, Pied work, move did.
Back in 2009, the Anglican Relief and Development Fund provided seed money for the building of the Gambella Anglican Center, including this library, which was completed in 2010. This library is very important to the local community because most schools here don't actually issue textbooks to their students. And so the library carries the books that they need in order to study outside of the classroom. Education is, of course, vital to breaking the cycle of poverty, especially here in Gambella, where very few students are able to go on to university. In fact, the first woman from the Gambella region ever to attend medical school studied here in this very library. She's now in her second year at the St. Paul's Medical College in Addis Ababa, and she'll graduate in 2 years with her degree.
Anu kan nama ko odanya university kuara ganana mama nya perne guara de chibe engineer sha manya guara kara she per tang engineer ganama nya gona de pura tang oda jam meriche ka tang epacha mala de tang nalanman ngau tahun berke keperi nyemara neneng mano kena kemake be ko engineer lanman guara gona aksi.
ARDF is also currently funding the construction of this building, which will serve as a home for St. Barnabas congregation that meets here at the Gambella Anglican Center. The church meets in a classroom that was intended to seat about 70 people, but the congregation has already grown to over 150. So this building is actually going to be very important to the growth of the church. It'll also serve as a chapel for the theological college and as a meeting space for groups, including the Mothers Union.
Mothers Union is a group of women who are members of the church who desire to reach out to the community and teach the community, and who love to go out and visit the bereaved, or go and pray for the sick, or go into a community that's never heard of Jesus and share with others their faith.
Many of these incredibly inspiring women are widows and they're caring for their children by themselves. They will come together and meet here at the center and pray for one another, learn about Jesus, and also receive training in literacy and basic child and family health. These health skills are already dramatically reducing the incidence of child mortality here in the Gambella region. The Gambella Anglican Center is an excellent example of ARDF's unique development model. Anglicans here in Gambella were already doing incredible ministry to serve their own community and transform lives for the sake of Christ. All ARDF did was to come alongside these inspiring local leaders and partner with them in order to expand their capacity and increase the impact that they're able to have.
Those that have given to ARDF, thank you so much for what you've done. What you have done is being used every day by people who need the resources of this center. We pray for our Anglican family around the world all the time. We're always giving thanks for those who have helped us.